Undoubtedly, no one can rival the internationally renowned Pakistani singers Atif Aslam and Ali Zafar in the world of music. Their talent is celebrated not only in Pakistan but their names also resonate across the globe. Although many legendary figures have graced the world of music in the past and some are still present today, in this era, Atif Aslam and Ali Zafar are considered favorites of everyone. Atif Aslam was born on the 12th of March 1983 in the city of Wazirabad, Punjab, and in 1995 he moved to Lahore with his father. Atif Aslam, who once dreamed of becoming a cricketer but made his name in music, released the album Aadat in 2003 under the banner of Jal Band. The songs from this album began breaking new records of success within just a few weeks. And from there, his journey of success truly began. At first, Atif Aslam rose to fame in Pakistan and then in 2005 he sang Wo Lam Hai for the Bollywood film Zehar. In the same year, he also sang Aadat for the film Kalyug. These two incredibly popular songs truly paved the way for Atif Aslam's significant success in the vibrant world of Bollywood cinema. And after that, he gradually became the absolute top choice for singing in the films of many major and influential producers. His famous songs include Dori, Hum Kis Kali Ja Rahe Hain, Meri Kahani Hona Tha Pyar, Ter Bin Pehli Nazar Mine, Tera Hon Laga Hun, Tuesday Jaane Na, Dardin Galan, Wo Meri Laila, and others. In addition, Atif Aslam has also performed the famous Qawwali Tajdare Haram, which was extremely well received, and he has also recited Asmaul Husna. And if we talk about Ali Zafar, he is no ordinary personality either. Like Atif Aslam, he has also achieved great success not only in singing but also in acting. Ali Zafar has delivered countless hit songs in his music career, featuring the vibrance of Urdu, Sindhi, Saraiki, Pashto, and Shina languages everywhere. And if this talent is weighed on a scale, the fees charged by Atif Aslam and Ali Zafar are also astonishing, which makes them stand out among other singers. It is also true that Atif Aslam has never appeared on morning shows or other interviews, mainly because of his hefty fee, which not everyone can afford, and similarly, his remuneration is quite staggering as well. In a viral clip on social media, singer Naeem Abbas Rufi can be heard discussing the fees of these two versatile singers. In the viral clip from Nadir Ali's podcast, when host Nadir Ali asks Naeem Abbas who the most expensive singer in Pakistan is, he responds by naming Atif Aslam and Ali Zafar, revealing that Atif Aslam is the highest paid singer in Pakistan. He mentioned that he does it for his passion for America. He charges $70,000, which amounts to 19,700,000 rupees in Pakistani currency, while in Pakistan, Atif Aslam charges from 8 lakhs to 10 million rupees for a single show. Continuing this conversation, we will now proceed to explore the various facets and dimensions of the subject matter in greater depth. Our aim is to further elaborate on the points previously discussed, ensuring a comprehensive and thorough examination of the topic at hand. This ongoing dialogue is essential for a complete understanding, allowing us to delve into additional details and perspectives. We are committed to extending this discussion to cover all necessary aspects, ensuring that every angle is considered for a more robust and insightful analysis.